Hey, what's going on? So I just wanted to show you guys a quick fix for those of us that are trying to record music, or if you just want to be able to record yourself, like have video camera footage and audio connection. So you're going to connect your digital audio workstation to OBS doing this technique with Reaper. I want to clarify it's for Reaper. I don't know anything else. I've just been using Reaper. So yeah, but the first thing you're gonna do is open up Reaper. Uh, well, actually no. The first thing you're gonna do is download the Calcos Real Plugs VST, and I'm gonna send a link in the description for you guys too. So you're gonna install the VST plugin from Reaper directly. Then you're going to basically arm your track. Well, I guess that doesn't matter. So just go to Show Master Track, click on Effects. You're going to add Calcos, and you're going to go to Restream right here. And then you're going to do Send Audio, and pick whatever option works best for you. Local broadcast seems to be working on mine, so that's just kind of like what I have it set to. So now I have it on local broadcast, and that's the connection from Reaper. Now I just need to add this. I need to add my own VST plugin real quick, so I could show you an example. But go VST, add. We're gonna do that. RMU. Okay, so that's set, right? Now I'm gonna go over to OBS, and I'm going to add an audio input capture channel. And for me, I've already named mine. I added it, and I named it Reaper, so I know that Reaper's connected to OBS. But you're going to add yours, name it whatever you want. You're going to go to Filters. Let me go over here so you can see it. Go to Filters, and then add, by clicking this plus sign, you're going to add VST2. Then you're going to open up the plugin interface, and I'll move that over, and you're going to set that to receive. Just exit everything out after you've done that. And that's basically it. I'm going to play music for like a minute or two so you guys can see that it's working for me. But please subscribe. I hope this helped you guys, because Reaper can be intimidating. But once you get the basics out, it's pretty fun. I have no complaints using Reaper. But yeah, so I'm gonna start playing music, and hopefully this helped you guys out. If you don't want to hear me play, you can end it right now.